This module looks at the metering requirements of an energy management system as a source of indirect energy conservation opportunities. Without seeing energy movement, you can't manage energy, and in order to see energy movement, you need energy meters to measure and quantify how much energy is being consumed. And there are meters for various energy measurement purposes: electricity, water, gas, steam, and so on. A monitoring system investigation can be conducted in parallel with a walkthrough energy audit or together with it. The key is not to consider fitting a meter unless you know how your organisation would treat the data once that meter is in place. Therefore, when considering introducing new monitoring systems, consider how you'd use existing meters, the procedures your people will need to follow once the meter is in place, costs, not only the meter itself, but the cost of the engineering work, configuration, installation and testing, and that the energy monitoring system is affordable and designed to match your organisation's immediate needs. Here are suggested steps for a measurement plan. Check first what you want to know before installing meters. Establish who the users will be, what the drivers behind the measurement are, and what are the critical parameters. Then draw up a measurement plan. Design reports, energy performance indicators, trends, cumulative sum, ratios and so on. Review energy flows. Decide on instrumentation, meters and other measurements such as temperature and pressure, and include critical operating parameters. Choose automatic or non-automatic measurement reading. Review available software, install and test. There is plenty of monitoring and targeting software available, but beware of packages that make it very complicated. Energy measurement will need to be converted into data sets for use in reports. You need to be able to read, analyze, interpret and take action based on that data. The use of frequent data is more important than the type of meter. Don't be a perfectionist, act on the information gathered. The cost of every meter requires attention, since installation, wiring and engineering work can be significantly expensive. Overly ambitious metering plans can raise the initial cost enough to spoil the entire energy monitoring system. Start lean and expand gradually, because top management may initially fail to see the value of energy monitoring and must learn to appreciate that timely energy data utilization can provide an effective energy management system. Any business operation unit will have at least one meter. The electricity meter used by the utility company to invoice you for energy charges every month. Start with this meter if your top management says they can't afford to fit additional meters. Don't make too much of a fuss about meter availability. Start with what is available. Once people understand how to read, use and act on the available data, your monitoring system can quickly develop. For the first phase of an energy management system, it's very important to start the energy monitoring with effective procedures rather than being too ambitious.